Blitz Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Blitz Wallet app has been making waves as a next-generation crypto wallet promising speed, security, and total control. But how well does it really perform in the real world? Let's uncover the pros, the cons, and the truth behind Blitz Wallet. First, the pros. One of the biggest selling points is non-custodial control. Blitz gives users full ownership of their crypto. Your private keys stay with you, not on a centralized server. That means no one can freeze your funds or access them without your permission. Another major advantage is multi-chain compatibility. Blitz supports several popular blockchains, letting users manage Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a growing list of altcoins in one app. This all-in-one functionality saves time and makes portfolio management much easier. Speed is another standout feature. Transactions on Blitz are processed quickly thanks to optimized network integrations and efficient design. Most users report near instant confirmations, which is perfect for traders and on-the-go crypto users. The app also includes built-in swaps and staking options, so you can trade or earn rewards without leaving the wallet. A big plus for convenience. However, there are a few cons. One downside is that newer wallets like Blitz can lack track record. With fewer years on the market, users have to place more trust in its security audits and development team. Another con is limited customer support. Since the wallet is decentralized, you won't find live agents or recovery options if you lose your seed phrase, something many users forget until it's too late. And while Blitz aims to support multiple networks, some tokens or dApps may not yet be fully integrated, limiting its functionality in specific ecosystems. In conclusion, the Blitz Wallet app is a promising and fast-growing option for crypto holders who value freedom and performance. The surprising truth? It's not just another wallet, it's a statement of independence. For users who want speed, control, and simplicity, Blitz might be the hidden gem worth exploring.